Electrical tools are essential for anyone working with electrical system, whether you are a professional person or a handyman. Today, we're going to cover some of the most important tools you need in your toolkit. In today's video, we are going through the essential electrical tools for every electrician. First up, multimeter. A multimeter is one of the most important tools for testing electrical circuit. It measures voltage, current, and resistance to diagnose electrical problems. Just remember, always make sure the multimeter is set to right mode before testing to avoid damage or injury. Wire strippers are used to remove insulation from wires without damaging the wire itself. They come with adjustable blades to match wire gauge. Use the right tool for the right job to avoid nicking the wire. Pliers or needle nose, lineman's pliers, cutting pliers. There are several types of pliers for different tasks. Needle nose pliers are perfect for bending wires and working in the tight spaces. Lineman pliers are used for gripping, twisting, and cutting heavy wires. Cutting pliers are ideal for snipping wire cleanly. Each type of pliers serve specific function, so it's good to have all three in your toolkit. Electrical tape is essential for insulating wires and electrical connection. It helps prevent short circuit and provides added safety. Always use high quality, flame-resistant electrical tape for the best results. A non-contact voltage tester detects live wires without touching them. Perfect for checking if an outlet or wire is energized. Always double check with a multimeter for accuracy. A crimping tool is used to attach connectors to the end of wires, creating secure permanent connection. Crimping ensures a reliable connection that won't come loose over time. Electrical screwdrivers have insulated handles to protect you from electrical shock when working with live circuits. They are perfect for insulating or removing electrical devices like outlet and switches. Cable puller, or famously known fish tape. Fish tape is used for running wires through wall, ceiling, and conduit. It is a flexible tool that helps you pull wires through tight space without damaging them. Flashlight or headlamp are critical for working in dark or confined spaces. A headlamp keeps your head free while providing necessary light. A circuit breaker finder helps you quickly locate which breaker controls a specific outlet or circuit. There you have it. These are the essential electrical tools every electrician or handyman should have. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and leave comments below with any tools you want to learn more about. Stay safe, stay powered, and see you in the next video.